All right, friends, so I'm super excited about this steal from Decor Steals. I've been waiting for this to roll back around. This is a pair of the tobacco baskets. One's a little bit smaller than the other, so they nest inside each other, and I love the patina on them. I've purchased these before and used them in clients' homes and whatnot. They're just so fun to use for a lot of different things. Of course, they look great hanging, and I'll show you some pictures of where we hung them in our home. But they also work really great as trays or lots of different things you can do. One way I tried using the baskets, I use a larger one here because we just have such a big coffee table. You could do the same thing with the smaller one, and was just to use it as a tray and kind of as a base to layer in my vignette on the table. Really just add a lot of fun texture to the table. So I use the smaller basket in here in our master bathroom, and we have this wide counter space. It just made it a great place to stack the towels and functional items that we actually use, but just display them in a little nicer way. It makes it a really nice vignette. So again, this pair of tobacco baskets comes from Decor Steals. I love that it comes in the nesting sizes. You can hang them, you can lay them as trays, you can prop them up, and they look great like on a mantle or something propped up like I did here on this mail sorter. So again, this pair of tobacco baskets comes from Decor Steals. I love that it comes in the nesting sizes. You can hang them, you can lay them as trays, you can prop them up, and they look great like on a mantle or something propped up like I did here on this mail sorter. So head over to Decor Steals and check these out. I think every time I see them, they sell out. So you'll want to get over there quickly. And again, I just love that they come in the nesting sizes. So many great ways you can use them, add some seasonal greenery and whatnot. But check it out, Decor Steals.